Alexa, show Ring camera.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named Ring camera.
Alexa, show front door camera.
Okay.
So waiting for Ring a while. And that's the front door camera. Right, that works. Alexa, exit. Now I'm going to see if it's going to show up a camera which I set up outside from EBit cam. Quite an inexpensive IP camera that works on Wi-Fi and also storage on the SD card and clouds if you wish. Alexa, show outdoor camera. Let's try it again. Alexa, show outdoor camera.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named outdoor camera.
Right, so let me now start the Alexa on the phone. Maybe there's an easy way. And then I'll search for my devices and it should hopefully sync whatever I have onto this to that. Just go to my skills and from here I'm going to my skills and EBit cam. Okay. So let's try it again. Alexa, show outdoor camera.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named outdoor camera.
Maybe that's why. Alexa, show outside camera.
Okay.
It's looks like I had that all along. Here we are. That's my outside camera. Is it controllable? You know, volume in and out. It isn't, but you know, that's good enough for me really.